Welcome to Hybrid CMS. In this video, we will be showing you parts of how you can customize some of the functions that you can use in your hybrid legal CMS. We have published a number of videos, so here we will discuss a few important parts of how you can customize some of the functions within the system. Once you've logged into your login and you're presented with this dashboard, click on customization, and from that you'll be able to do a number of changes. One of the changes that are useful to know is how to customize emails. Under that, you'll be able to make changes to all the emails that the system sends out automatically. You can modify that by clicking on edit, and you'll be able to put all the relevant details that you'd like to share with your client, as well as any other information. Once you're happy with that, scroll down and click on update. Once you've done that, it will return you back to the main screen. We're going to return back to the dashboard by clicking on the top right, the home button, then clicking on customization. And we're going to click on the case info template. That is a useful template when you are creating a new case. So we're going to select that, and I'm going to create a template. So say online inquiry, and we can give it a title. So add automatically, we can put add notes here, and then we can complete any of those drop downs. And what that will do, when we select the template, you will be able to select which one is appropriate. And remember, you can modify any part of that, and you can input that information. And once you're happy with the template, and as you can see, I have not completed all of it, you can click on save. Once you've done that, on your left, you can see this has now been created. I can go back to it and edit and delete this if I want to. And if you wanted to edit, click on edit. Now to see this is now available on our client case, if we go to a new case, so we're going to close our existing one, click on new case, and if we select the case info template, click on online inquiry, you can see the top half of it is predefined. Sometimes it's very useful when you're taking volume of calls and you want to input as much information quickly so that you'll be able to serve your clients better. We can go return back to the dashboard by clicking on the home button on the top right again. And if we select that again, it will take us back to the customization. And the final part of this video I wanted to show you was how you can modify the value manager, which allows you not only the client care letter, but also modify some of the drop downs available on your client case file. We're going to click on value manager, and if we select the list type, we'll be able to modify the immigration status, switch to nationality, type of service, advert, and source. And if we return back to the main screen, we're going to select new case. These are the drop downs that we can modify from here from the admin. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@techics.com. Thank you.